Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make my favorite strawberry protein smoothie. This is what I've used to lose 50 pounds and keep the weight loss off. I drink it every single morning. You can use whatever protein powder of choice, whatever milk of choice, and you can adjust the quantities to fit your macros. You just need 3 ingredients. I love using unsweetened almond milk, some vanilla protein powder, and some organic strawberries, frozen. I've already pre-portioned everything to meet my macros. I've also thrown in my creatine to mix in. Now we will throw everything into the blender, starting with the powders. Strawberries and milk. For a nice blend. Ooh, she thicky. Let's give this baby a try. Delicious as usual. Hope you give her a try.